In today's fast-paced world, having a passive income is the only thing that can save you from dying broke. With the brand new multimodal and factual reasoning features of ChatGPT 4, building passive income streams has become easier than ever before. So, in today's video, we'll uncover the 10 easiest ways to generate passive income with ChatGPT 4. First up, we have monetizable Chrome extensions. According to research, the cold inbox Chrome extension generated more than $420,000 in 2022. And now with the recent upgrade in ChatGPT, you can build a Chrome extension with 42% more accuracy and have much higher chances of getting it monetized. Let's say you want a food-related Chrome extension. Just sign up on the ChatGPT website, give it a prompt like, "Can you give me a step-by-step guide for creating a Chrome extension that can replace non-vegan food options with vegan choices?" It'll provide you with a basic JavaScript that includes all the necessary instructions for creating a new directory for your extension. Once you've followed the step-by-step guide, it's time to put the extension to the test. Navigate a website and search for any non-vegan food name, such as milk. If the extension substitutes almond milk or soy milk, everything is in order. The best thing about Chrome extensions is that they never go out of date. Everyone is using at least one of them at any given time, hence they are an outstanding source of passive income. Number 2. Digital planners for Etsy. Etsy is an online shopping platform with more than 96 million active buyers, and with ChatGPT 4, you can run your own online shops on it. Digital planners are a hot product on Etsy. Here's how you can create a digital planner with ChatGPT 4 and launch it on your Etsy shop. Ask ChatGPT to provide an outline for a yearly digital planner. Once it gives a basic outline, you can extract the relevant content needed for your planner's subparts. For example, you want to add a to-do list section to your planner. You can ask the chatbot what elements are needed for the to-do list section of a yearly planner. Through this way, you can create all the content that is needed. And to handle all the aesthetics, you can hop on graphic design tools such as Designs AI and Midjourney. However, a little knowledge of Etsy and designing can make this passive income stream a piece of cake for you. Number 3. Rental websites. If you have some possessions that you can rent out to generate passive income for your family, then ChatGPT can be of great assistance. You can direct it to give you a basic HTML code for creating a rental website. By following its guidelines and taking some advice from actual web developers, you can create your own rental website. Once you have a website, your next step is uploading listings. Let's say you want to list your car for rent. You'll need high-quality photographs, which you can take from your phone, and listing content that can be easily extracted from ChatGPT. If you command it to provide you with listing content for renting a car, the chatbot will give you a template, and by putting in the correct details of your vehicle, you can upload the listing on your website. You can run ads or market it on different platforms and generate an income stream for yourself. Number 4. Website tools. Another income stream you can go for is website tools. If you are an online service provider, you might have known that YouTubers are always looking for ways they can get an estimate of their competitors' revenue. Why don't I tell you how to create such a website tool and sell it to YouTubers to generate passive income? Here's how you can do it. Hop onto ChatGPT and command it to give you an HTML code to build a tool that can calculate the estimated YouTube income based on the average watch hours and views per month. It'll give you a step-by-step guide and a brief code which you can put in a website builder tool. Once your tool is ready, you can test it by giving it to YouTubers, and if they give it a thumbs up, you can make it public, sell it online, and bag big money. Number 5. Trading bot indicators. We all know it. The upcoming era is going to be cashless. Our future generations would not even recognize what a currency note is. All they would know is a flickering chart and trading bots. And here I'll tell you how you can build a trading bot indicator with ChatGPT. Direct ChatGPT to give you a code for trading bot indicator that can trigger a buying signal. As usual, it'll generate a primary code and Python script that you can run in a no-code tool. And to ensure that the bot indicator is effective, you can seek advice from people who are already in this industry. Then alter your tool capabilities according to expert advice, because human involvement is always beneficial in streaming long-term income. Number 6. eBooks on Kindle. ChatGPT 4 has achieved human-level performance on various academic benchmarks, so writing an ebook is manageable. Here's an easy way to write an ebook with ChatGPT to generate consistent income. Let's say you've been working in the teaching industry for several years, and now you're looking for ways to make passive income without doing much work. Just ask ChatGPT to give you 10 topics on which a teacher can write an ebook. Select a given topic, ask the chatbot to provide you with a title and chapters for the book, then extract detailed content for each chapter. Once you have your desired chapters and ample data, you can proofread the book. And to make a cover for your ebook, you can use the Midjourney AI tool for that. After doing all the pre-launch work, you can publish it on Amazon, buy some reviews, and your book will be ranked. Now you can sit back and wait for your money to be credited. Number 7. YouTube channel. There can never be a more reliable passive income stream than YouTube. Whether it's AdSense or its own revenue, YouTube has surpassed every other online platform in catering to its creators. With the advancements in GPT-4, you can become a YouTube creator without much work. You only need to pick a niche in which you want to make videos. For that, you can ask ChatGPT to give you a bunch of niche ideas. Once you have picked a niche, you can again ask the chatbot to provide you with topics you should cover in your niche. After deciding on a topic, you can ask the chatbot to give you a script around that topic. You can go for documentary-style scripts in story format. ChatGPT will handle everything related to content. You can use Descript, Overdub, and Nova AI to voice over and edit your video. With AI tools, you can make a YouTube video in merely 5 to 6 hours. And if you keep creating AI-powered videos and get your channel monetized, you can generate a decent amount of money for yourself. Number 8. YouTube automation bots. Apart from automated channels, automation bots for YouTube are one of many ways to make passive income with ChatGPT. YouTube creators are always busy and never have enough time to reply to their comments, so why don't you build an automation bot for them? That ultimately can make passive income for you. You can create chatbots that respond to their video comments, conduct content research, and create a content strategy for their channel. The process is the same as making a trading bot, only the ChatGPT prompt will differ. You'd ask GPT to give you a code to automate YouTube comment replies. Within a minute, it'll give you a code that you can put into the no-code tool and then test your chatbot before selling it to YouTubers. Repeating the same steps can create so many other chatbots and generate passive income. Number 9. Storybooks for kids. Kids' storybooks have always been treated like a legacy. Once a child reaches a certain age, their mother starts looking for interesting bedtime storybooks. By creating storybooks with the help of ChatGPT, you can carry forward the legacy and generate a passive income for yourself. Let's say you want to create a bedtime storybook. If you have your own idea, you can give it to ChatGPT to build a story. But if you don't have any, GPT-4 can cater to you by suggesting story ideas and exciting angles for different story episodes. You can use the Midjourney AI tool to insert graphics into your storybook. It can give faces to your story's characters. Once you feel like your storybook has all the necessary content, you can tweak it, insert emotional angles, proofread it, and launch it on Amazon Kindle without spending $1. Number 10. Online courses. 2023 is a profitable year for online coaches and course sellers. If you have a skill you want to utilize by making passive income, ChatGPT-4 can become your assistant. If you are a digital marketer without time to make your course and sell it for passive income, you can ask ChatGPT to give you a course outline. Once you've finalized a framework and divided it into different modules, you can command the chatbot to provide the necessary content for each module. Once it gives you the essential content, you can edit it according to your style. Add some of your testimonials and the proven results of your marketing strategies. Then you can upload it to your website and social media sites and charge money for every download. Those are just some of the ways ChatGPT-4 can earn you passive income. However, there are a lot more opportunities out there, and if you enjoyed this video, you'll probably like this one